welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So happy to have you guys here for today's video. Today I am at the moment sitting in the parking lot. I've just had my allergy shots. After this I am going to go pick up my Walmart order. I'm going to take you guys back to last night where I did a major cabinet, pantry, and refrigerator clean out. I didn't get the freezers, or the upstairs freezer, but that's okay. The downstairs freezer is fine. Anyway, so I did a major clean out and took care of, what is it, stale, expired foods and things that we're not eating that we, I bought for us to try, this and that. I've been trying to find organic foods, snacks, and things like that for us to eat, and I've tried different things, and right now I think Azure is probably my favorite place to get those items. And so I might be doing the Azure order soon. But anyway, this grocery haul is a major restock. You're gonna see some things in there that are not organic, they're not healthy. It's a lot of processed, pre-made food, especially frozen. The reason for that is there have been a lot of days where I have not feel that I don't feel like cooking. Robbie doesn't feel like cooking, although he can cook. Don't let me tell you he can't, because he can. And yeah, so we're ordering out, and I'm wasting too much money on ordering out. Most of the time I'm the one who doesn't feel like eating, and so we're fending for ourselves. So that being said, I needed to have some things on hand that Robbie and Emily can just grab if they want to, or sometimes if I want to grab, just something quick and easy to throw in the air fryer or heat up in the microwave, whatever the case may be. So that's what this grocery haul is. I needed to restock some things like that. I'm out of flour, and I haven't done an Azure order yet, so I'm going to go ahead and supplement that with stuff from Walmart. So basically this is a big restock. Not big, but anyway. So I'm going to take you guys to Walmart here right now. But before I do that, I'm going to take you guys back to last night when I did the major clean out. with you our grocery haul. Back here, I have a 2-pound box of elbow pasta. Carson, when she's here, she likes to have noodles, is what she calls them, noodles for lunch. So I can do pasta sauce, or I can make mac and cheese or whatever, do different things, but as long as she has her noodles, she's happy. I got some more ketchup, some mustard, some Duke's mayonnaise. Like I said, this is mostly a restock out of a few things, and so, you know, I needed to stock up. Like I said, I was out of all-purpose flour. This is the organic, so I'm going to fill that up. We like to make what we call cheese soup. It's just a queso dip. You do Velveeta and Rotel, and then Robbie likes to add sausage to it, so we were out of Rotel, got some of that. And we do have some homegrown sausage downstairs in the freezer, but he likes this for whatever reason. He likes to eat this with that. This and this are the result of a weak moment, and that's all I'm going to say about that. Bananas. Robbie was wanting some chips and dip, and pretzels and dip, so I needed some pretzels. Saw these, I wanted to give them a try. I got some regular butter, unsalted butter, and then this plant-based butter. I like to bake with this, cook with this. I got some chili corn chips and some honey barbecue corn chips, the Great Value kind. We like to eat those with chili beans and just other different things, and like to have it on hand for that. Greek yogurt. I've been putting this in a lot of stuff lately to get my protein, so needed more of that. Robbie likes to snack. He likes to snack on he likes to snack on fruits and vegetables and cheese and crackers. So I got him some of this jalapeno spread that he can have with crackers. Hopefully he'll enjoy that. Out of tortilla chips, we like to do, like I said, the cheese soup, and then also make nachos. So we were out, needed to stock up. This is some chicken tenderloin that I'm going to cut up, and I'm going to make my my chicken soup base and can it. And it's got chicken, carrots, green beans, potatoes, and I think I put corn in it, but I'll have to go back and look. I can't remember. But I just put all of these raw ingredients in a jar and then fill it with water and process it. I will do a video with that so you guys can see how I do that. These crackers are for snacking. The flips are one of our favorites, so I got a couple of boxes of those. The Dots pretzels, both Emily and Robbie really like those. I like the original. I haven't tried this one. I got this the last time and it got gone. They really seem to enjoy it, so I got another bag of those. Some Lay's stacks just to have on hand. I was out of cream of chicken. I know that I can make this homemade, and I have before, but honestly, I prefer from the can. If I'm in a bind, I can make a mix homemade, but this is easier and it's a go-to. And then a non-food item, I needed some molded mildew cleaner. I also have some body wash and Robbie's Crystal Light Peach drinks that they had to ship, so it's not here yet. So this is everything that I got for now, and then I'm going to show you my freezer downstairs here in just a So here is the stock up I did for our little freezer, just little grab and go things that we can have on hand when needed. Some mozzarella sticks, some of the honey barbecue, boneless chicken bites, some potato skins. I got a cheese French bread pizza, corn dogs. Emily likes pizza rolls, a couple of things of fried rice. I got some chicken poppers also for the littles when they're here if they want something. Got 2 different kinds of fries, crinkle fries, steak fries, and tater tots. We have some steak that I'm going to thaw out and marinate and have for dinner one night, and I actually like to have steak fries with it. So there's the chicken legs that I still need to process. And then I got several different kinds of pizzas this Ultimate Totino's. I haven't seen those, and so I wanted to try those. And then I got this Red Baron brick oven pizza, a couple of the Great Value Rising Crust pizzas. I got this Margarita, it's a Better Goods pizza. And then I think that's all that I got. Everything else was already in here. Yeah, I mean, I know that those aren't healthy things to grab, but in a pinch, in a bind, when mama just doesn't feel like doing anything, those will work for whoever wants it. Here's how our garden freezer, homegrown freezer stuff is doing. These are the steaks I was talking about that I need to thaw out, but I still have plenty of corn, some onion and peppers. That's what's left of my blueberries. Got sausage and bacon. I think we're doing good. Just sitting here editing this video and realized I did not close it out, so I'm going to do that right now. A lot of what you saw in my grocery haul, I'm going to be canning some of those things, and so I want you to come back because that'll be the next video. I'm not technically doing the every bit counts challenge with Three Rivers Homestead, but I am doing quite a bit of canning and preserving, and so it can totally fall into that category. But that's going to be my next video, so come back and see that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. Come back and hang out with me. Until next time, I'll see y'all later.